Hello everyone, you're welcome to Edo Tafia Amipo YouTube channel, the best place for your news, entertainment and excitement. If this is your first time of coming to this channel, don't hesitate to subscribe to us, and while you are there, please click on the notification bell so that next time when we drop any video, you'll be the first to be notified. Thank you so much and God bless you. Hello my people, now well done. Now well done and now welcome back to Edo Tafia Amipo YouTube channel. How na day, how that side? How parents, how children, how's everybody just okay? How work? People they go up, people they go from, people they where they go market. I hope so everything they okay with everyone. You know, if not, so make we give thanks to God Almighty. You know, nine be Baba God, nine be the Alpha and the Omega. So before then, you know, all that being said, I hope so everything they okay with anybody at all. Anybody at all, if you say no, the fine things is at the moment, maybe the side patients, God go do one for them. You know, that's what it be. So I wanna do with my people for always coming here at Edo Tafia Amipo YouTube channel. So you wanna do well, and I know say we give now all the best. I will continue to give now all the best. That's what it be. And so once again, yeah, welcome back to Edo Tafia Amipo YouTube channel. The place where we say that they hear the ogbege, the red gist, you know. That's so today we get video for now. You know, we get a story for now, story book, you know. This story now from a person maybe say she not just to they come out like that anymore because she says she just too busy, you know. Now once in a while she they come out now. Now be Mary Edos. Mary Edos don't come now. You don't come for these women, you know. Nigerian women will be say they always they come. They talk about bekus and cassava. Saying so the man go take spend 3 hours, and so the man go take spend 4 hours on top of them. And that one, you know, she just come put everything to rest. Saying a lie. All these women know they practice. They know they do all those things. They know the practice and there's no man like that where they do with them like that. They just they come because of social media. They just come they talk. Then say she say if they did inside house, a different thing. You know? She say which man want really do maybe spend 2 hours on top of you or 3 hours or things like that. Say whether the man not get work. Now even though say what he do on today, do on tomorrow, do on the afternoon, how the man want to do on the following day. You gotta do one like that. So you say, so all these women now, they will grow up when they say all these women now when they talk this kind of this Nigerian women when they come on social media, like say they talk about bekus and this thing, like saying it's a bit done, they on top of it, they twist. Say if not so, it really be. So they may say now they come born, they can't get male children, and so these male children go they do their when they grow, they will do they go do women like that, like their girlfriend or their wife like that. Say how long do it last? How long does it last for life if they continue the doing like that? You know what I mean? So she just really come and she really can't speak her heart out, you know. Maybe not the truth, or maybe she don't see, but she really speak her heart out, you know. She says she don't mention names, so but we know there are women out there. We say Nigerian women who they do on social media now. We say they just they talk about cassava and bekus cassava. When I say they do, and I say they been, I say they wipe, and I say they. You know, you say all those one just formalities, man. Saying that for social media to just take traction, to just be like say you take people attention, you just to draw people attention to them. It's not a lie. You get me? So we now we say you know what I mean, maybe some of those people say you just till they come lately now. We say they on the same. We say she might they not say she talking about who we think say she might be referring to if it be some people. You understand what I mean? Might be what they there. So we don't just we don't know, but she really talk, you know. So she can't say she even advise men. Say men not they kill themselves on top of bekus. You know what I mean? You say men not they kill their you say a natural thing. You say make women shake themselves out. You see as a woman, God just create you as a woman, right? When God create you as a woman, the man go come. You will God create as a woman, man go dey on top of you. Now what tell me when they do the vaga, you know, the fiokodi. You say the man not go just bust within 10-20 minutes. You say that one not be, you say you not be woman then. You know, you say the woman not be woman. She they talk to women now. You say women when they talk say they'll come. I mean, women they talk on social media say they'll handle man no break come for like 3 hours. Man no come for 4 hours. Man no come for 2 hours. It's not this kind. They say that this kind they want. It's not a lie. You say maybe the women they check themselves out whether they even they bust at all. You know what I mean? You say, I mean, when I know tell me whether they even they hit climax at all. You see, man, woman create, when God create you finish as a woman, or you get everything to attract men. You get front, you get back, you get face, you get everything. The man will come day on top of you. You know what I mean? Come day on top of you now. They do this. They say the man not, you know, bust. The man not boss for like 5 or 10 minutes. He said, then you don't be woman then. He said, there's no man like, no male like that to be say supposed to they do that kind of thing. More than 10. He said, even though it's not 1 minute, says so found a 2 enjoy. He said, maybe the women they learn how to the boss, how to the hit climax. Now in better pass. Say, they carry men like say men like this. He say men no they take medicine, no. Maybe they know they take tablet or the pills to the enhance themselves for if they want sleep because they want meet woman. So that kind of thing no go say they go destroy their life, it go destroy their organs later in the future. So this lady now we just believe if say there are so many reasons, so many good points where say she really give, and then me. So nowadays now you just see so many Nigerian women, they just they come, they talk. Yeah, I mean, one of the things we say Mary those verse, but you see most of these women they say they speak in a local dialogue, in a local language. I mean, Edo language. You see, that one even they pin out mostly parts when they do all those nonsense on social media. You get me? So now that one just did it. We just say how Mary those really get a huge point and many points for what she talk now. Not be the one me they talk now. Not be the one me they talk at all now. Now really listen to her. Wanna see the high points and everything we say she really give. You get me? So she would say maybe we may stop that something. Maybe they stop lie. See, because they spoil home. You see, maybe they stop her. Maybe they don't come on to social media. They say they spoil home. She even advised people, the viewers, say if you are a married couple, you wanna listen to all those things on social media. Say if you not listen to them, you say you go only spoil on a home because the women would come to say maybe waiting all those women when they come out of social media they talk. You say no, things say maybe not true. Say maybe not some men really they last on top of them. You say which woman God will create like say you deal with man, God don't create you finish. Well, then you say you don't be woman, then you don't get the attraction. We be say man, you with man, natural man, don't be say the man take peace, you don't take anything, you don't take peace, you don't take medicine to enhance himself or to delay himself. He go deal with you. You will God create you, get front, you get back, you fine. As a woman, say the man no and they do and the man no climax or the man no bust within 5-10 minutes. Say 10 minutes even be one too long, say the man not, but say then you as a woman not be woman. He say you be wood. He say the man not take you as a woman. But if you take you as a woman, you go don't boss within those times. So may has my married couples, may they not listen to what all these women they talk on social media. He say especially the wives. He say because if you listen to them one day, that's something will only lead you out of your married, out of your matrimonial home. Where you say you can't be single women like them. Like all those women where they do on Facebook where they talk say men they last on 3 hours on top of them and they make men last on 4 hours, that kind of thing. So me they do really give a huge point where we say we can't say oh wow this story no make our audience hear them. Now really me they still see the other side of a woman. Say not be all women really they talk when they come on social media say man we don't last 5 hours on top of them. Say no, that will not be man. Say men they last on 5 hours on top of them, Me they don't say me they even they use their brain, me they use their mind. Say not love, you use your mind. Say me you they know how to bust. Say if you really like man, with him even on say that 1 minute the man spend with you and as soon as they do vaga or as soon as they feel cody, he say that minute say you feel use and bust. As long as you get interest in that man and they not be say how big or how small the cassava be. It's just same me you the man. As soon as they do and like each other, so the emotion you think you hold on your mind go dead there. Say just not say make women just not say you go hit the climax. You say so make women know how to they come. If make women know they come, you say nah she know me she go take off herself, me she go treat herself. Say me you say that place say nah lie. You say no matter what thing man do, you no go ever finish. You say so men learn, me they take lesson, So this woman really talks so much, like really good, straight up advice and everything, what I mean? So we just say, as we be for Dr. Fiame about YouTube channel, we they take off everything. We they bring all news, we they bring all sides. We're not there biased. We will bring the side, we will bring the response or the people will counter that particular topic where that woman go bring or where that man go bring. So we'll still tell the other story too. You get me? Not be say somebody just come now, I will just present the news or present what that person talk, like say that not true, but some people will say still want to counter that particular thing, that is talking about, say that something where that person talk, say not correct. We'll still go bring that one story, and that's what they do here at Dr. Fiame about YouTube channel, So my people, like say now, we just the ready now as we want to start to join our sister Mary Edos, as she wants to start to talk our own story on how on these women we say they come on social media, come they talk saying so many the last 4-5 hours. 6 hours, 10 hours on top of them. Okay, my people, now do may God bless you now.
This for Facebook now only, and they even speak our language. They speak Edo. Why? Why? What is going on? Some of you take it like a joke. And I take it like, so I do comedy. Yes, I know one girl, she's a comedian, but not be that kind of thing now. Person they do comedy. There are a lot of things that you can use to do comedy. Not about toto, prick. We are adult to we don't big finish. Wanna see us now. And all these people that are saying about prick, toto, all of them, they are in Europe. You see that matter where they cause people for Europe, you know, will ever finish now. And this thing that they are saying, they don't practice it though. They just use it to put fire in people's house. Now they understand me? The man will come they change, the woman will come they change because of waiting that they talk for social media. Wait them themselves they talk, they don't they practice. Whatever. They'll just come and come scatter on her head, all of them come say, hey, no. Don't say some men they be 1 to 3 years. Some men no they like to take for on top of woman. The man go just quick release. Why? You when you they talk so you get pikin, boy pikin. One day you go like me your pikin just they fuck, they do. Now walk your own son, your own big guy son. This love making of a thing is not do or die. It's a gently thing, no. On a normal ground, when you are making love, you have to on AC, fan. As in, you know, even good make sweat, you know, as in, do and make you enjoy ram. Even though say now 1 minute the man take home. So far the enjoyment did there. So far the enjoyment, the two of una enjoy the thing. Who sure I can't be say the man have to stay there for 30 minutes, 45 minutes. The man go just on top of that woman. The man go just stay there like that, sister. If man dey on top of you for 30 minutes, it's a shameful act. As a beautiful woman that you are, 30 minutes, a man will be on top of you, a lady. Oh, you going to know me? You understand me? 30 minutes. You go just stay there, you not go come. The man go just stay there. Sister, you are a wood. It's just the whole truth. I'm the lady of truth. Sister, what did I say? You are a wood. You are not a lady. Now, they talk so many. They are women. They talk. The women they cry pass. My man, no, the woman they quit. They come. I don't like that. This kind of thing. Waiting with this now. In office. Sister, what of you, your own self, by yourself, you, how you take day, you they come? For your life since when mama born you, when you can't grow, you can't marry, or you can't get boyfriend, you don't ever release as a black girl. You don't ask yourself that question. Majority of no they come, these women. You don't know, say you not good, say me woman not they come. If woman not come, you go feel. Wait, you go fit stay on man go fit stay on top of her for 20 hours. Our dig because because you don't know marry nothing. Sister, go and find solution to yourself. Okay? Find the problem that you have. Okay? Because if woman they come, waiting man go they do on top. Sam, may I tell you this come of a thing. Wait, now God create a more. The way when man they come, when man go tire. Now so woman they come, they tire, my people. Now no know. Now the same thing. If una no know me, I tell una now. The same way when the man go come, you come. The same thing to woman. So sister, wetin come dey happen when they laugh your boy, your guy say your guy they quit they come. Wetin they your side? Because me know say when woman come, you know can't get power again. Wetin dey sup? Sister, una dey complain this matter, na hand na me put the matter. The guy don do his own, he don come. Now wetin say me do again? You no get it, dey release. You don't get where the boy go touch when you release. Now let me the boy the do am. Me yo when man here okpa ni ogujo umae. This video where I just do where I want do short so you go say but me those one just do live video. No, I dey very busy. Sister, make una still think about una own side. Something is wrong somewhere. You understand me? Something is wrong somewhere. It's not ordinary. You just did there. You just make the man they dig you. Omonoko, okbianoko, biwa gbewa. Oh yeah, ne. Oh, and if as a woman, as I know they come, I know they know it become. To the hold sperm, the man know if you hold that for just like 2 hours. No, call WhatsApp now, please. WhatsApp. This is direct. Call WhatsApp. Don't call direct. Call WhatsApp. WhatsApp. Now the everything that they talk so. The man go one release. He go because the man something they inside hole. Now you understand me? They sweet time. And the man won't come. Man will come. The woman because they say, you just come because the thing is sweet time. The thing is sweet. It can't come. You now you don't know it be sweet. You don't know it become. Why you got table now? One of they cause our men again said they be 1 to 3 years. Don't say some get small one. So why not they talk like this? Mona they talk all these things again. Mona bring another top. Mona bring other things. Mona leave all this issue of come. They irritate people for social media. We are adult. There are things that we can bring out that people will buy. It not come. It come. The problem we get now the women go just they like drag gang. They know they come. They know the honey. What do they make the men do? Make them die on top of the woman because okay I want to know for it. Our sisters for this Europe, wherever they they know they even they care. Say make them see try, make them come as in. Make they don't they hear about come. Make them see do am as in. Make them see tell the man say even though say now one day we take search or 1 week, may we search this thing after I will take come. Now research, do and make the man help you, may you come. Yes. Or if the man not film do and make you come, you yourself you will physically come by yourself. You now try on yourself. Not just the day they say do am or do am. I'm not satisfied. If a woman come, a woman will not have mouth. You know what say mouth that say you not satisfied. When no way try something, do something. This is as in we are mature people. And how do I'm like that show me that way? Marry 2 people you are in the bed, man and woman. As in the man go they do every time you go the verse say the man quick come, but you sister you not come. Find solution.
Hello guys, you're welcome back. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you did enjoy the video. If you did, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and while you are at that, don't forget to click on the notification bell so that next time when my video drops you will be notified. And one more thing I'd like to say is that if there's anything that you guys would like me to change, like an addition or an increase to anything I'm doing with my video production, or like a reduction or decrease or take away from my video production, don't hesitate to leave your comment or your suggestion, your opinions on the comment section. And believe me, I read every comment and I'll know what changes to be made. Thank you all so much for watching once again. Bye.